Children, are you ready for this activity? Today activity is flowers name. Satvik, start. Today activity. Flowers name. Very good, Satvik. Go. Say Diya. Very good, Mago. Say Anurakshita. Very good, Mago. Say Nitya Priya. Very good, Mago. Mahantesh. Say loudly. Very good. Say Mithun. Very good, Nanago. Say Santosh. Very good, Nanago. Dora. Say Dora. Very good, Nanago. Say Lucky. Say loudly. Say loudly. Very good, go. Say Ananda. Very good, Nanago. Say Rishi. Very good, Nanago.